Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is day 7 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. Now, actually, day 7 is a rest day. I'm not even supposed to do anything today, but I still want to stay consistent with the 30 days. But actually, I'm still going to go outside, even though it's supposed to be a rest day. I'm still gonna go out there and jump rope just a little bit, just like basically like practice my jump roping skills. That's basically what I'm doing today. But it is supposed to be an off day, so if you following along with this 30-day challenge, you can relax. It's all good. You don't have to do nothing, or you can just do a different kind of workout or whatever. It's all good. But this video very short because it's a rest day. But like I say, I'm making a playlist for this jump rope 30-day challenge, so you can follow along, and that's it. Hopefully, if you follow along, you're doing good. You sticking with it because it's only day 7. We gonna make it all the way to 30 days. But like I said, I'm not sore or anything like that. It ain't nothing to it. So it is what it is. Day 7 down. See you on day 8. Be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and comment if you actually doing this challenge as well. Comment, let me know how it's going. All right, peace.